Hi, let's get playing. We're here to practice meditation and mindfulness. We already have begun. Finding your comfortable posture. If you haven't made one, find one. Being undisturbed. Choose your environment. We're going on a journey and we don't want to be disturbed. Allowing your eyes to close. Allowing your body to be aware, awake. Rising in self-awareness, your temperature, the textiles feeling on your skin, the glow upon the back of your eyelids for your optic nerves, the auditory nerves, hearing not only my words but the resonance of creation, of the air, allowing oneself to be calm, tranquil, intimately aware, open, growing in one's self-perception, allowing what we find that we examine our own being and modify. We can change ourselves. Feeling your body gently swaying with the rhythm of your whole heart, squeezing, circulating the precious oxygenated blood, becoming aware of breathing and awareness of increasing the length and the intensity of one's breathing. Be aware of it. Savor it. Feel a sense of sensuality in your breathing, in the interface of this process with your body, with your chest, with your lungs, with your throat, with your mouth and your nose, with your head, with your consciousness, with everything that you are, feeling more, being very comfortable, at ease, feeling a sense of majesty, understanding, greater sensitivity to yourself. It is always here waiting for us to be aware. So that is what our practice is for, sharing this self-knowledge. You're feeling these things in yourself. You're not taking it for granted or having faith in my representation. You're doing it. You are here now in this moment, feeling your life blood, your pulse, feeling your life's respiration, our every breath, remembering our breathing. As we breathe in, and I've suggested long and slowly, with a sense of deepening awareness, and with a sense of kindness and gentleness also. It's an acceptance. It is a witnessing, an observing of a process of your body, of your being, learning from this, coming to terms with what we are doing. Why? If we see change that we want to make, then okay, we do that. Or maybe we don't need to. You'll decide what's best while you're coming to these decisions, and they can change because we also want to be flexible and adaptive. And since every moment is changing anyway, we can change our direction as necessary. Breathing and our pulsing. Let's enumerate the third that's in this series, which is our actual being alive, our actual presence, our actual vibration. Our whole body is vibrating with cellular activity, with the motion of your muscles, the motion of your lungs, your heart, creating energy, this warmth that you feel, that exudes through your skin and your clothes into the environment and communicates with the rest of the world. But we're talking about this shimmering essence that we are, as the blood brings the oxygen to our cells and feeds them. They are happy. They are responsive. They are regenerated. They are fed. And so they have a hum of their own. And you can feel it if you want. Breathing long and slow and deep. Opening your ears to the sounds of creation. More than just my voice. Your eyes to the reflection on your closed eyelid. Every moment is changing. Feeling a tingling, a trembling. Very subtle. But when you get used to it, then it's not so subtle anymore. Because your whole body is vibrating and shimmering with energy. Unconsciously, habitually. This is what's going on, right? We're here. We're being mindful. We're being meditative. And we're discovering and we're reinforcing because we know these things. And here we are, aware of our breath, aware of our bodies, aware of our pulse, aware of our shimmer, being here now, in this moment. The past stretches behind us, the future before us. And yet the only thing that really matters is now. Finding a way of being more aware of and in control of the commotion, the current of one's own being is a worthy goal. These natural methods of reminding oneself of the preciousness of the miraculous nature that you are a means to this end of finding wonder, admiration, astonishment, awe about your own being here, now, feeling, breathing, pulsing, shimmering. We are alive. This is our natural state. How much you want to elevate your awareness is for you to decide. Okay, you are here now. You have made this decision. Breathe. Pulse. Shimmer. In the majesty of your own being. Let's plant some seeds in that garden. Repeating with me, I am understanding. I am compassionate. I am friendly. I am curious. See yourself putting those seeds into that earth in your own soul with a beautiful view. I am curious. I am patient. I am strong. I am deserving. I am organizing. I am improving. I am becoming more aware. These are a few of the seeds we can plant that we can nurture through repetition in our practice. As we breathe and pulse and shimmer through our days, come to a recollection of your basic bodily processes. Carry it a little further. Remember how old you are, what your DNA signifies as your birthright. 1 billion years of evolution. Remember that you are seeding in your garden today. Curiosity, for instance. I am curious. I am kind. I am cheerful. I am improving myself. I am here now. a bundle of miracles. I am humbled by the immensity of creation, and I am thankful just to be alive, to be here now. I'll see you later, alligators.